everyone, this is Mango from Maya Media. Today I will show you the RA bonding network speed. You can see the RA is online. Now I click the 4G signal image here, the laptop of the device. Enter the information. You can see the bonding speed here. I have inserted two 4G SIM cards, New Mobile and China Telecom. Connect the LAN cable and the Wi-Fi. You can see the IP here. The speed is not very fast now. Now I back to the menu. Enter more setting. The second one, bank param. I can adjust the bit rate here. Make it higher, confirm it. You can see the speed adjust. Now it is faster. When you do the live streaming, you can adjust the bit rate like this by yourself. That's all for the RA bonding speed. Thank you.